Hello everyone, myself Rishika from EC 6 SAM. I am here to give presentation about advanced wireless technology. Starting with overview, in the most simplistic form, a wireless LAN is a LAN that uses radio frequency to communicate instead of using a wire. Wireless technology involves transmitting electromagnetic signals over the air. Wireless communication is a broad term that incorporates all procedures and forms of connecting and communicating between two or more devices using a wireless signal through wireless communication technologies and devices. So, let me tell you what we are going to discuss in this presentation. Definition, history, advanced wireless services, main wireless technologies, types of wireless network, wireless speed and range, advantages and disadvantages, latest wireless technologies we are using today. So, what is wireless technology? Wireless technology provides the ability to communicate between two or more entities over distances without the use of wires or cables of any sort. This includes communication using radio frequency as well as infrared waves. Wireless technology involves transmitting electromagnetic signals over the air. Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Bluetooth, 3G and 4G are some of the most important standards of wireless technology. A single wireless transmitter can send signals to several hundreds of thousands of receivers as long as they all receive the same information. Today, wireless technology encompasses such diverse communication devices as garage door openers, walkie-talkies, baby monitors, and cellular telephones, as well as transmission systems such as point-to-point microwave links, wireless internet service, and satellite communications. Basics: wireless networks operate using radio frequency technology, a frequency within the electromagnetic spectrum associated with radio wave propagation. When an radio frequency current is supplied to an antenna, an electromagnetic field is created that then is able to propagate through space. The cornerstone of a wireless network is a device known as an access point. The primary job of an access point is to broadcast a wireless signal that computers can detect and tune into. Since wireless networks are usually connected to wired ones, an access point also often serves as a link to the resources available on a wired network, such as an internet connection. History of wireless technology. In February 1896, Guglielmo Marconi journeyed from Italy to England in order to show the British telegraph authorities what he had developed in the way of an operational wireless telegraph apparatus. His first British patent application was filed on June 2nd of that year through the cooperation of Mr. W. H. Preece, who was at the time of Chief Electrical Engineer of the British Post Office Telegraphs. Signals were sent in July 1896 over a distance of 1 3/4 miles on Salisbury Plain. The term wireless has been used twice in communication history with slightly different meanings. It was initially used from about 1890 for the first radio transmitting and receiving technology, as in wireless telegraphy, until the new word radio replaced it around 1920. Radios in the UK that were not portable continued to be referred to as wireless sets into the 1960s. The term was revived in the 1980s and 1990s mainly to distinguish digital devices that communicate without wires, such as the examples listed in the previous paragraph. from those that require wires or cables. This became its primary usage in the 2000s due to the advent of technology such as mobile broadband, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Advanced wireless services. The services provided by AWS licenses are limited only by the fixed and mobile allocations of the spectrum designed for AWS and the services rule that the Commission adopts for the brands to address interference matters. The Commission has designed several different AWS spectrum bands over the years. The following contain a general description of the individual AWS established rules to license these bands. The description below contain link to FCC release with more detailed information about each band including historical information. AWS is a wireless telecommunication spectrum band used for mobile voice and data services, video and messaging. The service is intended to be used by mobile devices such as wireless phones for mobile voice, data and messaging services. Main wireless technologies. The top wireless technology trends are Wi-Fi, 5G cellular, vehicle to everything wireless, long range wireless power, low power wide area networks, wireless sensing, enhanced wireless location tracking, millimeter wave wireless. Types of wireless network. First is wireless LAN. Wireless LAN technology provides internet access within a building or a limited outdoor area. First used within offices and homes. Wireless LAN technology is now also used in stores and restaurants. The use of home networks has greatly increased as the COVID-19 pandemic has forced office workers, students, teachers and others to work and study from home. Second is wireless MAN. Wireless Metropolitan Area Network has been installed in cities worldwide to provide access for people outside an office or home network. These networks cover a wider area than office or home networks, but the principles are the same. APs are located on the sides of buildings or on telephone poles throughout the coverage area. APs are connected to the internet via a wide network and broadcast a wireless signal throughout the area. Users connect to their desired destination by connecting to the nearest AP, which forwards the connection through its internet connection. Next is wireless PAN. Wireless Personal Area Network covers a very limited area, typically a maximum of 100 meters for most applications, using protocols like Bluetooth and Zigbee. Bluetooth enables hands-free phone calls, connects a phone to earpiece, or transmits signal between smart devices. Zigbee connects stations along an IoT network. Infrared technology is limited to line of sight, such as connecting TV remotes to televisions. Wireless developers has continuously improved technology by discovering new ways to transmit signals to users. These advances enables higher data rates and increasing range for each of these wireless technology. Next is wireless WAN. Wireless WAN use cellular technology to provide access outside the range of a wireless LAN or metropolitan network. These networks enable users to make phone calls to others, connecting either through a wireless WAN or a wired telephone system. Users can also connect to the internet to access websites or server-based applications. Cell towers are located nearly everywhere within the US and most other countries. A user connection is routed to the nearest cell tower, which in turn is connected either to the wireless connection or to wired internet. Here you can see all the wireless technologies in one frame. Wireless speed and range. When you buy a piece of wireless network hardware, it will often quote performance figures based on the type of wireless networking standard it uses, plus any added technological enhancements. In truth, these performance figures are almost always widely optimistic. While the official speeds of 802.11b, 802.11g and 802.11n networks are 11, 54 and 270 megabytes per second respectively. These figures represent a scenario that's simply not attainable in the real world. As a general rule, you should assume that in the best case scenario, you'll get roughly one-third of the advised performance. It's also worth noting that a wireless network is by definition a shared network, so the more computers you have connected to a wireless access point, the less data each will be able to send and receive. Just as a wireless network speed vary greatly, so too can be range. For example, 802.11b and g officially work over a distance of up to 328 feet indoors or 1312 feet outdoors. But the key term there is up to, and chances are you won't see anywhere close to those numbers. As you might expect, the closer you are to an access point, the stronger the signal and the faster the connection speed. The range and speed you get of the wireless network will also depend on the kind of environment in which it operates. And that brings us to the subject of interference. There are some advantages and disadvantages of using wireless technology. Advantages of wireless technology: increased efficiency, access and availability, flexibility, cost savings, new opportunities, security, installation problem, coverage. However, there are disadvantages to using a wireless network. Radio signals have a limited range. Radio signals can suffer from electromagnetic interference from other devices and even other radio signals. They can also be blocked by walls, leading to dead spots where no signal can be found. Latest wireless technology: 5G. Fifth generation wireless is the latest advancement in wireless technology. 5G wireless is exponentially faster, but how it achieves that speed is different than prior generations. The increase in speed and decrease in latency creates new possibility for transformation and innovation in patient care. Wireless technologies we are using today. Most lay people today think of laptops, tablets, smartphones and modems if you ask them about wireless technology. The term has become part of our daily activities. For most of us, there are currently two main types of wireless technology: local Wi-Fi networks, cellular networks. So let me firstly tell you what are local Wi-Fi networks. Local Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows tablets, video game consoles, printers and smartphones to communicate with the internet. Medical devices, laptops and digital audio players also use Wi-Fi. The term Wi-Fi emerged in the 1990s from the words wireless plus fi, which has an arbitrary second element after hi-fi. People often mistakenly interpret the term as a short form of wireless fidelity. Second is cellular network. These technology allow electromagnetic device to communicate over long distances. One person in, for example, Alaska can talk to another person in Australia using their smartphones. Cellular networks allow them to do that. Thank you.